Have you got a rusty bumper that's bringing you down a bit? Well, we're here to turn that frown upside down. Your classic Jeep deserves better than new bumpers. And if you're running a pre-79 SJ like this one, the 3-piece bumper can be the first thing you notice, and its condition can really define the look of the vehicle. The 3-piece bumper is how Jeep did it originally. Center section, 2 end caps, all solid steel. It looks right, fits good, and screams classic American style. At Jeep Heritage, all of our bumpers are refinished in fresh, durable chrome. We also offer optional powder-coated mounting brackets, stainless steel carriage bolts, and custom laser-sintered nylon interfacing washers, so everything behind the shine is just as dialed. Now if you're running a 79 to 91 SJ, your Jeep belongs with a sleek single-piece bumper. These original aluminum bumpers could be polished and anodized like they were originally, but in our opinion, they look much better in chrome too. Both styles had some variations through the years, mainly involving extra holes for Nerf strips and bumperettes, which, if you're trying to keep your Jeep factory correct, is an option you can select at checkout on our retail website. Either way, there's no reason to keep a tired bumper on a solid truck. We've got the right ones for your build at jeepheritage.com.